Hello everyone, welcome to Two Aces. In this tutorial, I'm going to walk you through how to install Python on Mac OS X. What you need to do is open up a browser window and type python.org and then go to Downloads and click on Mac OS X. This will open up a window with a bunch of Python releases for Mac OS X. I would recommend that you go for the latest Python 3 release, which in this case happens to be 3.7.2. So click on this and then scroll all the way to the bottom and find out the actual files. Here you'll see a bunch of files for Mac and then a few for Windows. And if you look in the description, it says that this one's for 10.6 and later, and this one's for OS 10.9 and later. If you're unsure of your version, then I would recommend that you check it out. Doing that is very simple. Just go to the Apple tab, click on About This Mac, and you would find the version number right here. In my case, it happens to be 10.14.2. So I would go for this installer. All I need to do is click on it. Once the installer is finished downloading, I can click on that to open it up. This Python installer will basically install Python. All you need to do is follow the steps. So click on continue, 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 agree. It says it'll take up a certain amount of space. Make sure you have that much on your Mac. And then click on install, type in your password, and there we go. Congratulations, Python for Mac 10.9 or later was successfully installed. And then you can click on close and move the Python installer to trash. Now that you have installed Python, in order to make sure that it actually works, I would recommend that you open up a terminal window and type Python 3 without any spaces, which will open up a prompt, and then type in print parenthesis hello world in quotation marks, and then hit enter. It should spit out hello world. If it does that, then your Python interpreter is working perfectly. I would also recommend that you install a text editor to write code. Since we'll be using Sublime Text 3 in the future videos, I'm going to walk you through how to install that on Mac OS X. All you need to do is open up another browser window and go to sublimetext.com. And then you would find download for Mac button at the very top. Just hit on that. Once that is finished downloading, just click on it, and that will install Sublime Text 3 for you. Please like and subscribe to our channel, and feel free to leave a comment if you have any issues downloading Python or Sublime Text. Thank you.